We can easily refine PlantUML sequence diagrams using Visual Paradigm Chatbot V2. Let's start with the existing PlantUML sequence diagram and bring it into Chatbot V2 to see how it can help us improve it. First, open the Team menu, go to Unified Platform. Then select AI Chatbot. Paste your PlantUML code into the chatbot, and it immediately analyzes the diagram, detects issues, and automatically fixes them for you. With the corrected diagram in place, we can begin enhancing it. We first ask the chatbot to include a user authorization flow. It updates the diagram, but the authorization failure scenario is missing. We then ask the chatbot to correct this, and it adds the failure handling logic accordingly. Next, we request the chatbot to include the shipping flow. It adds the shipping lifelines and messages, no manual editing required. To further improve the model, we ask the chatbot to review the diagram and provide recommendations. It identifies 7 enhancements, and we apply them with a single request. Now the diagram is complete, consistent, and ready for use. There are several ways to work with this refined diagram. You can send it to the pipeline and add it to your knowledge base in OpenDocs. Open Unified Platform, click OpenDocs, open the page where you want to insert the diagram, click Insert, choose Pipeline, and select the diagram. Your diagram is now added to the OpenDocs page. You can also import it into Visual Paradigm Desktop to turn it into a fully editable, model-based diagram. Click Import to Visual Paradigm, and your PlantUML sequence diagram will be converted into a model-based diagram, ready for advanced refinement. If you prefer editing the diagram as code, you can send it to VP as code and continue working with the advanced editor. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.